What's up everyone, it's Shahab, back with another video, and today we're diving into the world of AI, specifically AI voice cloning. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about tech that can literally learn your voice and speak just like you. We're gonna break down how it works, the tools you can use to try it out yourself, and of course we'll see it in action. I even recorded my own voice so you can hear the difference. So if you've ever wondered what it would be like to have your own AI voice double, or if you're just curious about the future of voice tech, then stick around because this one's gonna be interesting. So first things first, what exactly are we talking about when we say AI voice cloning? Basically, it's like having a super smart voice recorder that does way more than just capture your voice. We're talking about AI that uses something called deep learning to analyze your voice, your tone, your pitch, even your little inflections. It breaks down your voice into these tiny little pieces of sound called phonemes. Think of it like this. Your voice is like a puzzle, and the AI is putting all the pieces together to understand exactly how it all fits. And once it's got that down, it can basically recreate your voice saying anything you want, and the craziest part is, it doesn't need hours of recordings to do this. Some of these tools only need like 30 seconds of your voice to create a pretty convincing clone. You can literally type in anything, a sentence, a paragraph, even a whole script, and the AI will speak it out loud in your voice. It's kinda wild, right? Now you're probably wondering, okay, that's cool and all, but what tools actually do this? Well, there are a few players in the game right now, but some of the biggest names you'll hear are ElevenLabs, Play.ht, and Resemble AI. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses, different pricing structures, all that good stuff. But the core functionality is pretty similar. You record your voice, the AI does its magic, and boom, you've got your own AI voice clone ready to go. We'll link some of these tools down in the description so you can check them out for yourself. Some even have free trials so you can play around and see what it's all about without spending a dime. Alright, enough talk, let's actually hear this thing in action. I recorded a short sample of my voice, just a basic introduction so you can hear what my real voice sounds like. Play clip of Shahab saying, "Hi, I'm Shahab and I love exploring technology." See? Pretty straightforward. Now here's the AI voice clone saying something completely different. Play clip of AI voice saying, "Subscribe to ShahabIT for the latest in tech, delivered in my voice." So, what do you think? Pretty close, right? It's not perfect, of course, you can still tell it's an AI, but it's getting closer and closer to the real deal every day. Now for all you techies out there, let's get a little deeper into how this stuff actually works. Like we talked about before, it all starts with your voice recording. The AI takes that recording and starts analyzing it, breaking it down into those phonemes, which are like the building blocks of sound in your voice. It's looking at your pronunciation, your rhythm, your intonation, all the little nuances that make your voice unique. And it's not just about the sounds themselves, it's also about the way you use your voice to express emotion. The AI is learning all of that. It's basically creating a digital map of your voice. And once it has that map, it can use something called speech synthesis to generate new audio that sounds just like you, even if you've never actually said those words before. It's like having a digital version of your vocal cords that the AI can control. Okay, so we know how it works, but what can you actually do with this technology? Well, the possibilities are pretty much endless. For one, it's a game changer for content creators. Imagine being able to create videos, audiobooks, even podcasts without ever having to step in front of a microphone. Or how about customer service? Instead of talking to a robot on the phone, you could be talking to an AI that sounds just like a real human being. And then there's the film industry. Voice cloning could be used for dubbing movies and TV shows in different languages, or even for bringing back the voices of actors who are no longer with us. And for people with speech impairments, voice cloning could give them a voice when they might not otherwise have one. The point is, this technology has the potential to change the way we communicate in a lot of really cool ways. Now before you go out and clone your voice, it's important to talk about the ethical implications of this technology, because like any powerful tool, it can be misused. Imagine someone using your voice to create fake audio recordings of you saying or doing things you never actually said or did. That's a scary thought, right? Or what about using voice cloning to spread misinformation or propaganda? It's not hard to imagine someone using this technology to create fake news reports or political speeches that sound like they're coming from a trusted source. And then there's the issue of security. Some banks and other institutions use voice recognition as a form of security. What happens when AI can clone your voice so well that it can bypass those security measures? These are all serious concerns that we need to be thinking about as this technology continues to develop. It's important to use this technology responsibly and ethically. So, there you have it, AI voice cloning. It's a powerful technology with a lot of potential for good, but it's important to be aware of the risks as well. If you're interested in trying out voice cloning for yourself, I encourage you to do your research and choose a reputable company. Like I mentioned earlier, ElevenLabs has a free trial that you can use to experiment with the technology. Just upload a short recording of your voice and see what you can create. You can use it to automate your videos, create unique content for social media, or even just have some fun with your friends. The possibilities are really only limited by your imagination. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use this technology wisely. AI voice cloning is no longer a thing of science fiction, it's here, and it's only getting better. We're on the edge of a future where realistic, personalized AI voices are everywhere. So what do you think? Which voice cloning tool are you most interested in trying? Let me know in the comments down below, and while you're there, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of tech, simplified. Until next time.